Y'all want to know who this is?
This is me.
Who is me?
The only cousin that you got.
Yeah. Peace. Going up that hill.
You need to do that on Sunday at church.
I'm good.
I'll come back to church.
Alright. This your boy Chris. I'm video cameraing today. You know what I'm saying? And the heart of Westwood. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Go, she still doing it. I ain't been video camera you no more. You can leave now. So you know what I'm saying? Need to fix my hair and stuff. You see this mine? Watching trees and stuff. Just crazy. Alright, finna go back up in the house now. You going on YouTube now? You know that. Look, she trying to ignore me. She going on YouTube.
Chris taking your picture, Mom. Look, Chris taking your picture.
I'm gonna knock him down.
She gonna knock me down. She going on YouTube with that knock you down.
Chris, you gotta take some pictures at church now, got you?
Take some pictures.
Next Sunday, I want you to do the church.
I'm recording. Oh, crap.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nah, I ain't taking no pictures. Hello?
I'm talking about record.
Who is it?
Hello?
For free? Somebody just called my phone. I don't even know who it is.
No.
Oh, it look like 1-800 though. And I answered it. Crap. Dang it. Alright, it ain't even cold outside. Yeah. This is my granddad's Cadillac. Go and check it out. It's gonna get close up to this. See the rims? Hot. Don't get them. Them bag back to them. Go and check out the front. Check out the front of the car. Looks smooth, right? Now let's go to the inside. Alright, well, can't see that good. Let me see. We gotta get inside. This is not to see inside of that. Well, check out this trunk, man. It automatically goes down. It's a fat trunk. Man, this is some booty. Sitting up here recording this bullcrap. It's going on YouTube though. I can record anything. Anything. I can record anything. Y'all gonna watch it, right? No, you gonna watch it. Look at mine. Yelling at the dog. Look at this bullcrap.